We're learning more about the charges just filed against the man arrested in the death of a Jewish man following a confrontation with pro-Palestinian demonstrators. We're live with the details. You're watching Eyewitness News at 11:30, live on ABC7, Hulu, and wherever you stream. I'm Giovanna Latta. The suspect in the death of a Jewish man at a political rally is expected to make his first court appearance this afternoon. Eyewitness News reporter Tim Pulliam is live in Thousand Oaks with more on the charges just filed against him. Tim.
Giovanna, the criminal complaint outlines the federal charges the suspect is facing: involuntary manslaughter and battery. However, right now, investigators say this incident does not rise to the level of a hate crime, but that remains under investigation. So far, investigators have interviewed 60 witnesses and collected 600 pieces of evidence, including videos. And right now, they say that evidence has helped them put into sequence how Paul Kessler was attacked. Now, investigators believe the 69-year-old Jewish man fell and hit his head and later died from a severe head injury after the confrontation with the suspect, who is pro-Palestinian. Now, the two men were at competing rallies last week at the corner of Thousand Oaks and Westlake Boulevards. The district attorney explained what led them to charge Lo'ay Al-Naji with involuntary manslaughter. Take a listen.
We received no evidence, no statements, no information whatsoever that the defendant arrived at that intersection, Thousand Oaks and Westlake Boulevards, on November the 5th with the intent to kill, harm, or injure anyone. But nevertheless, as the charging document sets forward, it is alleged that he committed involuntary manslaughter, specifically that he killed another with criminal negligence, specifically reckless conduct that carried with it a high risk of death or great bodily injury.
Now, during the press conference, we learned more about the victim. Paul Kessler worked in medical cells at one point, and he was a pilot. He was married to his wife for 43 years and leaves behind a son. Now, the suspect in this case is a professor at Moore Park College, I should say. Now, the suspect will appear in court on these felony charges later this afternoon. Tim Pulliam, ABC7, Eyewitness News.